Ever feel like your hair just said thank you? Because mine just did. This isn't just a shampoo, it's a herbal powerhouse. No sulfates, no parabens, just pure herbal goodness your scalp will drink up. It cleanses deeply, strengthens roots, reduces dandruff, and leaves your hair feeling like silk. And the results: stronger, softer, happier hair naturally. Just pure herbs, Shikakai, Amla, Hibiscus, etc. All blended with love. Let's see how it's made. Alright friends, let's take a look at the ingredients. First up, Shikakai, the secret to strong, glossy hair. We are using 3 tablespoons of this herb. Next is Reetha Powder, nature's foaming cleanser that leaves your scalp feeling fresh and squeaky clean. We are adding 12 tablespoons for that perfect herbal lather and deep cleanse. Now comes a well-known herb, Amla. Rich in vitamin C, it boosts hair growth, strengthens roots, and adds natural shine. Up next is Hibiscus Powder, the flower your hair absolutely loves, known to reduce hair fall and add natural shine. Now revitalize your hair naturally with Bhringraj Powder, strengthening roots and promoting growth. Please take 3 tablespoons of it. Finally, give your hair the ultimate cleanse with Multani Mitti, absorbing excess oil, detoxifying the scalp, and leaving your hair soft and refreshed. Now that we have gathered all the ingredients, let's move forward and learn how to make this herbal shampoo, which can also double as a nourishing hair pack. In a mixing bowl, combine all the ingredients together. Mix well to ensure all the ingredients blend together smoothly. Friends, if stored correctly in an airtight container, away from moisture and kept in a cool, dry place, your herbal shampoo mixture can last for up to 6 months. Hi, in order to show you all how this mixture is going to work, I have applied a whole lot of oil on my hair. So friends, allow me to show you all how this mixture is applied. Now, without any further delay, let's start. So take mixture in an adequate amount that can suit your hair. I have taken here 3 tablespoons of the mixture and I'm adding some water to make a paste. You can adjust the ratio of this as per your hair length. I have added some more water in this and have made a paste. Please remember, this mixture should neither be too flowy nor too thick, so the application will be easier. Now see, I'm showing you a close look here. This is perfect. Wet your hair first and then take some amount and start rubbing in circular motion like this to produce lather. Just keep on doing this, and I would suggest please wet your hair good enough so that it can make foam. And then after some time you will notice that lather is forming. See. And please avoid it going into your eyes because it really hurts. Now after much work, you can see it's finally producing a good amount of lather. And if you have good time, then please allow it to set on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it all. I'll meet you after some time. So I must tell you friends, it took a lot of time to produce lather in my oily hair, but in shampooed hair it has given me amazing results. Use this mixture as a hair pack. Now I'll meet you after I've rinsed it. Trust me friends, I could truly feel the difference compared to commercial shampoos. It's definitely a game changer for anyone looking for a natural, effective hair care solution. The results were absolutely amazing. After using this herbal shampoo, my hair felt incredibly clean, refreshed and nourished. Thank you friends for joining me. Take good care of yourselves and stay radiant.